Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for Lake Okeechobee until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Buckhead Ridge to near Calusa, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Lake Harbor, Moorhaven, Canal Point, Calusa, Liberty Point, Patahiki, Sandcut, Buckhead Ridge and Clewiston. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.